Metal Kids, how we going? We got Dave the Hat Man, his dog Fletcher, and Phoebe here. We're going to open up this BMW M1, but the dogs wanted to say hi first. Phoebe, are you pretty?
Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Oh.
She is. They're excited. So Dave's excited. This car's been sitting here a week. I've wanted to open it, but I never have. Fletcher, please get down. Good dog. All right, here we go.
All right.
Sorry about my
BMW M1.
Ooh.
Oh, Fletcher's so excited. Golly.
There's a knife right there. But sorry the dogs bumped the tripod, you guys. You can hear Fletcher breathing. We'll get that on the...
Yeah, that's not us.
We'll get that on the spinner here. Happy New Year, everybody.
Right, Happy New Year. Let's see what we got here.
And then once you get that on there, I'll do the close-up.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I was standing right in front of the camera, you guys. My bad.
Might have been another margarita night.
Yeah, we have margaritas. It's New Year's Eve, so, you know, humanity for the win.
Luckily, Dave, the other Dave, drove us.
Yeah.
All right.
No drinking and driving, damn it. Not allowed. All right.
That's the M1 Procar.
Move that
We're
over.
going with the
There you
dimming. Right there. Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
This is a nice one.
Let's show them the bottom. There you go. So there's the bottom of the car, you guys.
I've
Usual
got
Carrera setup.
High expectations from this car. High expectations.
All right, and we'll move in for the close-up. Oh, yeah. This is a really pretty car. Sorry about my hand. There we go. Sorry about my camera difficulties, you guys. It's quite a cool car. You can see the fire extinguisher in there.
I like it.
Looks like it's got 2 fire extinguishers. How about that?
Must be it's twice as fast.
Guy catches fire. Number 81, Denim Cologne, Shell Mobile. Very cool livery.
Back here, look at the little, I don't know what that says, but
It says Gerhard Schneider Fehlberg. I think this is a German car. So yeah, very cool.
I like it.
So there you go, everybody. The BMW M1 Procar in the denim livery.
I think it's class 5.
Yep, that's a Group 5 car. So thanks, everybody, for tuning in. And that is all for this unboxing. Metal Kids, see you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.